G'day guys and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mixup. Thank you for joining us. Today we're making the Bikini Martini. So, the things you're going to need for today: a coconut rum, vodka, some pineapple juice, grenadine and some cherries. From an equipment perspective, just a shaker, a spoon, jigger and a hawthorn strainer. And just make sure you got some ice. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is grab your shaker. We're going to load up with some ice. We're going to pour 60 mils of coconut rum directly into the shaker. 30 mils of vodka. And that's 70 odd mils of pineapple juice. Now we will give that a beautiful shake and we're going to serve it up in a coupe glass. There we go. Here we go. Cool. Grab your hawthorn strainer and strain directly into the coupe glass. Like that. Now you're going to grab your grenadine and we're going to pour about 15 mils just into your jigger. Pour it down the side of the glass. And to garnish, we are going to get a couple of cherries. Put them through your garnish pick. And there you have the Bikini Martini. Enjoy.